fair in Louise. You get my alcohol, I don't get any boobies.
Ow! That shit hurt. It's hailing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it fucking is. Tell me it's not hailing. Feel that. That hit my foot.
That's hail.
That is hail.
That's definitely hail.
That's hail.
Yeah.
That hurt my foot.
But how is that the only piece that fell?
No, it's not the only piece. I saw a couple of them hit.
Well, that was the only one that came down with that one. Because these are tiny, tiny little drops. They're missed.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's missed over here. I don't know what. Like, it shouldn't be hailing. This isn't nearly even bad enough for the hail.
You forget that we're on the fucking Galveston Bay
But
and we get hurricanes.
But this isn't a hurricane. Come back.
Ow, mother!
Are
Look!
you kidding me?
Look at this shit!
You getting hit that?
On my foot! This is the second one!
Bitch, I'm standing right the fuck here. How am I not getting hit?
Do you see this?
No, that's Photoshop.
That is not
That's Photoshop, bitch. I'm standing right here, and I didn't get hit by shit. Look at that. Look, there's no hail. You lying cunt. Liar. Photoshop.
I keep getting hit on my foot.
I don't get hit by nothing.
Give it a second. I can't believe there's hail.
You're a liar.
That's the second one I got hit by, and I'm a liar.
Photoshop.
That's crazy.
It's barely even misty.